I'm about to draw a YouTube play button. I spent 10 years making content on YouTube and I started on September 10th, 2015. I started filming and editing my own videos when I was 12 years old, and one thing about me is that I'm an artist. I love to draw. So to celebrate, I'm gonna be drawing a YouTube play button, and I'll make it creative. I'll add maybe a glitch effect to it and it can look more 3D, you know? So without further ado, let's start drawing. This is what my play button looks so far. This is what it looks like so far. You can see the triangle in the middle. Next, I'm gonna draw some glitch bars around it. I think after 10 years of making videos on YouTube, my content has improved later on. I'm more comfortable speaking in front of the camera and expressing my own thoughts. I remember my very first video I made, the very first video I made on this channel was a toy car knocking over a bowling pin. Yeah, it was definitely that one. It was a toy car knocking over the bowling pin. Then later on I started making vlogs, skits, and art. I added a glitch effect to my play button. This is a lot creative now. I'm gonna finish this up by coloring it up. I just finished drawing a YouTube play button, and I think it turned out really well. This is what it looks like with the triangle, and I added these glitch bars. This is perfect.